In this tutorial, we are going to show you how you can insert square symbol in Microsoft Excel. For this, we have some data which is n square. We want to show it as n square. So we entered n2 here. For converting it n square, we just need to select 2. So we are selecting 2, and then you can see an option on the bottom of this font. You can see this option and click there. There will be a pop-up. In the effect, you just need to check superscript there. Click there and click OK. Now you can see this became n square. And if you add 3 there, and if you go to make it like that, you will see that it will not work as you want, because this value is formatted as general, so it will not work. There is an option you can insert 3 square by selecting this cell. Then you need to go to the insert. Then you will see on the right side of the insert tab that will be a symbol. Click there, and this is equation and symbols, and click symbol. Now you can see lots of symbol there. You can drag it to first to see that. Going to symbol, you can see some symbol there, which is this 4, 5, 6. If you want to add 5, then choose 5 and click insert and close the pop-up. You will see 3 square has been appeared. This is how you can insert square symbol or something to the power 5 symbol in Microsoft Excel easily. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.